Hello and welcome to a video about grafting garter from Imagine Landscapes. To start, we're going to need to have 2 sets of stitches on 2 needles held parallel. It doesn't matter whether you are attaching one strip to be a loop in the round or whether you have 2 flat pieces knit separately and you are now joining them. You will hold the stitches parallel so that we can work kind of across them and bridge that gap. And it is great to have the same number of stitches on each needle. So make sure you double check and count. And if needed, sort of fudge the last bit and maybe knit 2 together somewhere. We have a length of yarn long enough for our stitches and it's on a yarn needle. Before we start, we need to set up. We always need to secure stitches. And at the beginning of grafting, we secure the edge stitches and then get into a rhythm. So to secure stitches, we're going to go purlwise through the stitch on the first needle, here the front needle, purlwise. And then we're going to go through the back stitch, also purlwise. So now both of those have been secured. I'm going to bring my yarn back through the stitches of the needles there. And now we can get into our rhythm. So it's going to be the same on both the front and the back needles. It's always going to go through the stitch knitwise, pull off, purlwise, stay on. And I simplify that step by doing it in one sort of, I don't take them off and then do it separately. I'll show you what it would look like separately. So it would be knitwise off and pull the yarn all the way through. And then purlwise, stay on. But as I said, you can kind of simplify things and make it one maneuver. So that would be knitwise off, purlwise, stay on, and then you just pull the needle through both of those loops as one. Knitwise off, purlwise, stays on. As with any grafting, you want to be checking occasionally to double check that the stretchability of what you are doing equals that of what is around it. In other words, you don't want your grafting to be pulled so tight that this is like a rigid and inflexible point. So just occasionally check and just make sure that things are approximately the same. And then you work away this exact same way across to the very last stitch on each needle. When we get to the final 2 stitches in grafting, we simply take one off, in this case off knitwise, the second one off knitwise, and now we are done. There are no stitches to secure with a purl. And so now we have a piece of knitting that looks like the work around it. It is a slightly different texture than this. When I do tutorials, I am never as good at the technique in terms of getting my tension right. I'm so worried about the camera, but you can see that this looks like garter stitch on both sides. And if you ever find that your tension isn't quite right in your garter, you can always go back and just gently tug along that woven path until you get the tension right. But honestly, this is so minimal that it will block out. And that's garter grafting.